Top 5 benefits of the TP3. The TP3 is the newest member of the Tait DMR family. It's got some great features and benefits that we think you're going to love. So let's get started. Designed with users in mind. Tait radios are renowned for their compact size and ease of use. The TP3 series is no different. They fit securely and comfortably in your hand and won't weigh your belt down. Each radio is IP67 water protected and was built with a water-shedding grill that sheds moisture away from the microphone. In other words, you don't have to shake your radio to get clear audio. The 4-key and 16-key model include a color display. The screen can be used to select from 1,000 different channels for text messages, caller ID, or identifying talk groups. Maximum flexibility. Each TP3 is available in multiple color and keypad options, giving you and your organization the freedom and flexibility to choose radios with the look you want. For instance, you can organize your portables with color by assigning a unique color to specific talk groups. Colors can even be custom ordered to match your brand guidelines. The cover of each radio can be easily and quickly changed, which means you can purchase a black, no-key, no-display radio today, and then choose to change it to yellow, 16-key tomorrow, or a 4-key green radio the following week. Your dealer can change the cover for you, saving time and money from purchasing an entirely new portable. This makes it easy to increase your radio's functionality, replace a cracked screen, or simply keep your fleet looking brand new. Personalization. The TP3 has been designed with designated spaces for custom labels. Labels can be printed and die-cut to the perfect size. Provided labels will be made of high-tack adhesives, are color customized, and built to be waterproof, alcohol, chemical resistant, and non-smudge. They can carry your brand logo, specific talk groups or radio type, asset identification, or anything else you can imagine. The display screen can also be customized to host any image or text through the programming app. Place your logo, radio ID, assigned owner, or any other information as the standard screensaver. Custom labels and display screen mean there are limitless possibilities. Each radio can be completely unique to your organization, or even personalized for each individual user. Great value. The TP3 has different models designed to suit your organization's needs and budget. The TP3300 operates in both analog and DMR Tier 2, and the TP3350 is a smart radio capable of analog and DMR Tier 2. Smart features of the 3350 include GPS, man-down, Bluetooth, and vibration alert. Regardless of the model you choose, each model is built with IP67 water protection, uses the standard Tait accessory connector, works with a low-cost range of accessories, and includes the same edgy design and compact size that can be custom fit with the color, keypad, and label of your choice. Increase health and safety. Reliable and clear communications are essential for health and safety. If someone on your team is in trouble, for any reason, you need to know they can ask for help. Each TP3 radio is remarkably easy to use, meaning users can quickly and easily connect to the right person or group. Tait design means they're also reliable, and when someone pushes the talk button, they'll be able to talk. If safety is a high priority in your industry, then the TP3350 model provides an additional series of features that help increase worker safety. For instance, Bluetooth voice connectivity and vibration alerts help ensure every message is heard. Voice enunciation allows you to change channels while keeping your eyes up and on the scene. GPS allows you to identify your staff's location, check on their progress, and ensure they aren't lost or off track. The man-down feature sends an alert to dispatch if someone on your team gets injured and collapses. When coupled with GPS, you can identify the injured person's location and the location of other workers nearby. This means that they can get help within a couple of minutes, even seconds. If someone has had a heart attack or serious injury, the quicker response time could actually save lives.